Hello guys, welcome to Shifting Gears, and finally we have with us the updated for BS6 Royal Enfield Himalayan. इस बाइक की कीमत शुरू होती है फ्रॉम ₹1,92,000 एक्स शोरूम. जब रॉयल एनफील्ड की हिमालयन इंडियन मार्केट में लॉन्च हुई थी, इट वाज वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड. आफ्टर दैट वी नाउ हैव द हीरो मोटोकॉर्प एक्सपल्स 200 which sits at the entry level price point of this adventure motorcycling segment here in India. After the Himalayan, beyond the Himalayan, we also have the KTM 250 Adventure, which was very recently launched. उस बाइक की कीमत है 2,48,000 ex showroom. And you also have the KTM 390 Adventure, which asks for 3,05,000 rupees ex showroom. But then that bike has a lot more electronics and has a lot more power. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about the design, the features, and the overall comfort when you hop on the saddle of this 2020 BS6 Royal Enfield Himalayan. जब आप इस बाइक को देख लेते हो, nothing much has changed ever since the bike has been launched here in the Indian market. The Himalayan has always been, launched as a purpose-built motorcycle, and it shows. It is very minimalistic in the design approach, and still it does have that typical adventure tourer motorcycling design DNA. But then looks are subjective. कुछ लोगों को ये रॉयल एनफील्ड हिमालयन पसंद आ सकती है, कुछ लोगों को शायद ये लग सकता है that as per 2020, as per 2021 standards, this bike doesn't look modern enough. But more on that in this video. We will show almost everything that you get on this bike in this video, and you let us know in the comments below if you like the Himalayan, or if you would save some money and bring home the X-Pulse, or if you would spend some more money and bring home either of the KTM siblings. तो जब आप इस रॉयल एनफील्ड हिमालयन को सामने से देख लेते हो, you will notice that you have the typical round shaped headlamp cluster over here. You have a primary halogen bulb, लेकिन जो यहाँ पे एक पायलट लैम्प दिया गया है, जो पार्किंग बल्ब दिया गया है, that is a white light, that is a white LED bulb. Quite a mismatch, I think, and it also looks odd जब आप इस headlamp cluster को देखते हो. But then it might be nitpicking for some. I don't really think that they should have given a white LED bulb over here. But then let's not whine about that too much. इस headlamp cluster के आसपास आपको एक gloss silver finish में ring दी गई है. This is not a chrome surround for the headlamp cluster, so I really like that. I am not a sucker for chrome, so I think this looks decent. नीचे आप देख लोगे, you have a typical adventure styled beak for this front mudguard, for this front fender, and this over here is a plastic piece. The bike that we have today with us is in this matte metallic grey paint scheme, and I really like it. It looks quite nice. और इसकी खास बात ये है, because it is in a matte shade and because it has that metallic accent and it is in a shade of grey, it doesn't show all that dust very easily, so you don't really have to clean the motorcycle very frequently. You can just keep riding around this bike without cleaning it. अब ये जो ऊपर का हिस्सा है इस मडगार्ड का, ये जो फ्रंट फेंडर यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो, द टिपिकल बीक, इसके नीचे आपको एक कन्वेंशनल मडगार्ड भी देखने मिलेगा on this Royal Enfield Himalayan, and that is a nice sturdy piece of plastic, and it has been very well built. So जब आप ये बाइक ऑफ रोडिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हो, when there are pebbles and small rocks kicked up, this is going to last. You do not have to worry about this thing breaking very easily, and also because it has been mounted so sturdily, it is not going to rattle too much as well. आप देख सकते हो, आपको long travel front suspension दिया गया है on this Royal Enfield Himalayan, and you also have 4 gaiters over here. They also look the part and give the bike a nice substantial look when you look at it from the front end. Forks पे आप देख सकते हो, आपको ABS का decal दिया गया है, because this Royal Enfield Himalayan now comes with a dual channel ABS setup. For lateral visibility आपको fork पे reflectors भी दिए गए हैं, and they are going to add to your overall safety जब आप ये बाइक रात को चला लेते हो. To the left hand side of the front wheel, which is by the way a spoke trim, it is a 21-inch rim. यहाँ पे आपको एक disc brake दिया गया है. You can notice the ABS pulsar ring over here. अगर आप ABS disengage भी कर लेते हो in single channel mode, the front wheel ABS will stay functional. You get CAT tires, knobby pattern tires, which are going to help you, ride on off-road trails and riding at such a location जहाँ पे हम आज इस मोटरसाइकिल को लेके आए हैं. we have had no problems with the tires. They offered us good amount of grip. They offered us decent amount of grip to keep marching forward. The front wheel on the Royal Enfield Himalayan is a 21-inch setup. The rear wheel is a 17-inch setup. This is a typical off-road friendly tire profile. पीछे भी आप देख सकते हो, you have the same knobby pattern CAT tires and they have offered us very good grip like I mentioned. पीछे भी आपको एक disc brake दिया गया है. You also have ABS at the rear wheel as well, and then you can disengage it when you are riding it off-road. So you can lock the rear and slide around the bike if you think you are confident enough to do that. अभी अगर डिजाइन की बात करें तो ये रॉयल एनफील्ड की हिमालयन काफी मिनिमलिस्टिक है. यहाँ पे आज जो हमारे साथ मोटरसाइकिल है इस पे हार्ड पैनियर्स लगे हुए हैं. Come up close and you can notice it that these panniers are spacious enough to carry extra luggage when you are going out on long rides, and they are very easy to open up as well. यहाँ पे ये जो panniers हैं you can lock them up if you want, and if you want to remove them, यहाँ पे ये जो आप पॉइंट्स देख रहे हो, you just have to twist it. It's a very simple mechanism and you can get these panniers off. So you can either carry it with you, or at times when you want to just take these panniers off and clean them or clean your motorcycle, it is not going to be too time consuming और ये काफी आसान है. और जब आप इसे निकाल भी लेते हो, when you want to fix it back, it doesn't take too much time as well. So this hard pannier setup from Royal Enfield, this is an official accessory. I think it is quite well built as well. और जब हम आज इस मोटरसाइकिल को चला रहे थे for more than 200 kilometers, these panniers have thrown no tantrums. They did not get loose or start rattling around too much. So no problems in that department as well. So if you want to buy the Royal Enfield Himalayan and if you want it to look more purpose built, get these hard panniers and you have extra luggage carrying capacity. But there is a downside to that which we will talk about later. अभी सामने आपने हेडलैम्प क्लस्टर तो देख लिया है, उसके ऊपर आपको ये क्लियर फ्लाई स्क्रीन मिल जाती है. दिस इज नॉट एडजस्टेबल बट द फ्लाई स्क्रीन इज वेरी रीजनेबल इन इट्स हाइट. और जब आप इस बाइक पे बैठ जाते हो, बिकॉज द सैडल हाइट इज ऑन द लोअर साइड, द फ्रंट फ्लाई स्क्रीन ऑफर्स यू डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ विंड प्रोटेक्शन. अगर आपको चाहिए आप एक आफ्टर मार्केट एक्सेसरी यकीनन खरीद सकते हो which will offer you extra wind protection, but this by default I have had no problems with it, and it doesn't rattle around too much as well when you are riding this bike on a higher gear on lower speeds. So at lower RPMs this stays in place and this doesn't keep moving around too much, so there is no problem in that department as well. Also you can notice that on our test bike today we have these knuckle guards which are connected only at the bar end section, लेकिन ये यहाँ से हैंडल बार को कनेक्ट नहीं होते हैं. These are going to only offer you maybe some amount of wind protection जब आप ये बाइक ठंडे इलाकों में चला लेते हो. So you will not feel that wind chill on your fingers. They are not really going to be very protective if you drop the bike. They do have a small piece of metal on the inside to offer you some amount of protection, but they are still not as safe and secure as conventional, say for example bark buster knuckle protectors which you can buy as an aftermarket accessory. यहाँ पे इस हैंडल बार पे आप देख लीजिए जो स्विच गियर आपको दिया गया है. You have a hazard lamp switch over here on the right hand side. You have the typical engine kill switch and the starter button. On the left hand side you also have a choke switch, although this bike has fuel injection, and you have the standard controls over here. Handlebar जो है आप देख सकते हो, it has been finished in this matte shade of silver, and the clutch and brake lever on this motorcycle is forged, so you can notice that there is no paint over there. Now look at the speedometer cluster of this Royal Enfield Himalayan. It is minimalistic. It does look like it has a lot, but let me show all of that to you. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, आपको एक प्राइमरी डायल दिया गया है जहाँ पे आपको स्पीडोमीटर मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे द स्पीड इज कम्प्लीटली एनालॉग. आपको यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी डिजिटल स्पीड रीडआउट देखने नहीं मिलेगी. बिलो दैट यू हैव अ डिजिटल डिस्प्ले एरिया जहाँ पे आपको गियर पोजिशन इंडिकेटर तो मिल जाता है, एंड देन यू हैव अ क्लॉक. You have the ambient temperature, you have an odometer readout, you have a trip meter, and one more thing, you also have average speed readout over here. इसको टॉगल करने के लिए जो बटन है वो यहाँ पे पोजीशन किया गया है under the tachometer. So press this button and you can toggle between the data that you get over here on the digital display. But this digital display I think it is insufficient क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको अभी भी कहीं पे भी रेंज देखने नहीं मिलती है. You cannot see your fuel efficiency or instantaneous fuel efficiency, and I think that is a big miss. At least आपको राइडिंग रेंज यहाँ पे दिखाई देनी चाहिए थी. You can notice you have a small tachometer to the right hand side up top. नीचे आपको एक फ्यूल गेज दिया गया है और उसके बगल में आपको एक compass मिल रही है, that is a digital compass, and again that also looks cool and it helps you, you know, find the right direction if you are lost on this Royal Enfield Himalayan. So that's about it on this speedometer cluster. Nothing fancy, nothing modern, and no Bluetooth connectivity even in today's date, when the Hero MotoCorp Xpulse at a lot cheaper price point is offering that to you. But then the KTM 250 Adventure at a much higher price tag is also not offering it to you. So, you know, it is up to you what you want, what you like, and if you would appreciate this or not. इस हिमालयन के साथ आपको एक डिसएंगेजेबल ABS सिस्टम दिया गया है, यानी कि आप रेयर व्हील पे से ABS डिसएंगेज कर सकते हो. लेट मी शो इट टू यू हाउ यू हैव टू डू इट. आपको इस स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर पे एक बटन दिया गया है. यू कैन क्लियरली सी ओवर हियर इट हैज बीन रिटन ABS, एंड टू डिसएंगेज द ABS you have to long press this button. But every time that we have used it, it has not necessarily worked. So you will have to, you know, fiddle around with that ABS button a lot for times when you want to switch to off-road ABS mode, or, you know, if you want to call it supermoto ABS mode, where the ABS is only functional on the front wheel. अभी आप fuel tank area देख लीजिए. This is a metal fuel tank, and on the 2020 BS6 updated Royal Enfield Himalayan, यहाँ पे आपको ये tank graphics दिए गए हैं. This is also nicely done. It is not any rubberized finish, but this looks good, and you know, it adds a nice contrast to the overall styling. यहाँ पे ये जो fuel tank है, full metal. ये जो fuel filler cap area है, यहाँ पे आपको एक plastic housing दी गई है, and it looks quite nice as well because it has this contrast shade. और आप यहाँ पे देख लीजिए, ये जो bars दिए गए हैं, these crash bars over here, or you know, these bars which hold on to the headlamp and the instrument cluster, they have also been very sturdily put together. यहाँ पे आप jerry cans भी attach कर सकते हो if you are going out on long tours, and all the parts that you see on this bike, everything that you see is exposed, is for some use, is for some purpose, and then you can make good use of this Royal Enfield Himalayan. Now, if you plan to buy this motorcycle, if you plan to ride this bike hardcore off the road, you will notice कि आपको यहाँ पे एक bash plate भी मिल जाती है, and it is quite sturdy. It is a full piece of metal which starts from here and then runs all the way under the engine area. It almost completely covers the engine's length. So that is going to protect your bike in the long run. यहाँ पे इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक single tone horn ही मिल जाता है. You do not get a dual tone horn. This Royal Enfield Himalayan comes with air oil cooling. So the oil cooler is on the left hand side. Let me show that to you. यहाँ पे ये जो oil cooler है, it is exposed, but it does have a slight amount of mesh housing over it. So it is going to protect the oil cooler from, you know, the pebbles that are kicked up when you are riding it fast and hard. So there is some amount of extra protection. इंजन एरिया जो है वो पूरी तरीके से ब्लैकआउट की गई है, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो नोटिस द रॉयल एनफील्ड ब्रांडिंग ऑन द इंजन केसिंग. आपको जो इंजन सिलेंडर हेड है वहां पे कोई भी मशीन फिनिश देखने नहीं मिलेगी, एंड ऑल द नट्स एंड बोल्ट्स दैट यू सी ऑन द इंजन आर अनपेंटेड, अनकलर्ड, सो दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स दिस बाइक दैट क्लासिक ट्रीटमेंट. Now on this motorcycle, the only place where you will notice the Himalayan branding is on this side panel. Look at the exhaust of this Royal Enfield Himalayan. You can notice it that the end can is nice and long. It is upswept, तो आप थोड़ी बहुत वाटर वेडिंग भी इस मोटरसाइकिल के साथ काफी आसानी से कर पाओगे. There is going to be no problems, you know, river crossing with this Royal Enfield Himalayan. And now since you are looking at the exhaust pipe of this motorcycle, let's also listen to this bike's exhaust note, because this is the stock setup. इस Himalayan के साथ आपको कोई optional accessory Royal Enfield offer नहीं कर रहे हैं for the exhaust end can, which can, you know, change the sound profile of this motorcycle. So this is what you will get. This is the only option that you have. Now one thing that I want you to notice is that this motorcycle has not even done 4,000 kilometers till now, but the engine, you know, it just sounds a little rough. It just sounds a little rough. It doesn't feel like it is a brand new product, and the engine, you know, feels a little stressed too early in its life cycle. So that is something that you have to keep in mind, because you will have to spend some time on the upkeep of the heart of this Royal Enfield Himalayan. After that, look at the seat of this motorcycle. That is the most beautiful and the most useful part of this motorcycle, because A, you are going to be seated over here, and B, when you are seated over here, the seat compound is fantastic. It is so soft, it is so couch-like. I myself have the KTM 390 Adventure, and every time I sit on this seat, I curse my motorcycle for the seating compound that is offered on it. This is just super डुपर कंफर्टेबल. आप 200-300 किलोमीटर काफी आसानी से नॉन स्टॉप इस बाइक पे कम्यूट कर पाओगे, टूर कर पाओगे, एंड हेंस यू विल बी अ लॉट हैप्पी as a rider on the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Pillion के लिए यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, you have the same seat compound, you have a split seat setup, you have a step up seat design, and the pillion seat is also reasonable. But for the pillion to hop on the saddle, it is going to be a little inconvenient because of these hard panniers. तो अगर आप ये setup लगवाने वाले हो on your motorcycle, the pillion is going to have to struggle a little to get on the seat and get off the seat. Even as a rider, अगर आपको इस बाइक पे सिर्फ conventionally pair swing करना है, it will be a little tricky because you might hit your shin area when you are swinging a leg. So the ideal way would be to just stand up on the motorcycle, hop on the saddle, and then move it off the stand. That would be more convenient. After that, now look at the tail end section of this Royal Enfield Himalayan. आपको इस बाइक के साथ एक LED tail lamp मिल जाता है. You always had a LED tail lamp with the Himalayan. It also has been housed in this nice silver shade. Looks quite nice. It has a metallic finish to it. And then you can notice आपको यहाँ पे जो turn indicators दिए गए हैं, these have been moved ahead on this saddle mounts over here. They are not conventionally placed next to the tail lamp cluster over here on this bike, because these hard panniers over here that you see, they are an optional accessory. अब ये hard panniers लगे हैं, उसके बावजूद आप देख लीजिए आपका जो सारी गार्ड है इस मोटरसाइकिल का, उसे आपको निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. These bikes come with spoke trims, so notice that as well. The primary wheel area is finished in black and then the spokes are unpainted, so that is also a design treatment that Royal Enfield has given to this motorcycle, and everything else is purpose built. आपको यहाँ पे ये जो section दिया गया है, इस पे भी अगर आप चाहो तो आप एक top box fix कर सकते हो if you want to carry even more luggage, if you are not happy with the luggage space that you are getting with this official hard pannier set that you can buy from Royal Enfield. Now let's also look at the finer details of this Royal Enfield Himalayan. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए जो आपको foot peg दिया गया है. The rider foot peg has a toothed pattern, तो आप ये rubber mount निकाल सकते हो if you are going out on hardcore off-roading. यहाँ पे ये जो brake lever दिया गया है, you have that same pattern over here as well. You can notice the grooves, you can notice the toothed pattern which is going to give you more grip. But there is one thing, this brake lever is positioned too close to the engine. You can notice it is recessed under the engine casing area actually. और जब आप ये brake lever use करना चाहते हो, at times you have to struggle to find this because it is a little too inside. So that is something that you should keep in mind if you are planning to buy this Royal Enfield Himalayan. जो pillion foot peg है, यहाँ पे भी आपको rubber mounts दिए गए हैं. So these are going to do that little bit extra job of reducing the vibrations that you might feel, but there is still some amount of buzz that you might notice when you are riding this bike hard, if you are riding this bike over 5000 rpm. Not that it makes any point, but if at all you want to just rev it till the red line, it is your choice. On the left hand side you can notice that इस बाइक पे आपको सिर्फ एक टो गियर शिफ्टर मिलता है. You do not get a conventional heel and toe gear shifter. This might feel a little sporty to some, but everything is quite convenient. Ergonomics में यहाँ पे मुझे gear console पे कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं हुई while riding this bike for the past 2 to 3 days. So that's about it in terms of the design and the features that you get. There is nothing really that is exceptional or extraordinary. It might feel like a little vanilla-like. It might feel that it is too plain Jane. But where this Royal Enfield Himalayan shines is in its ability to cruise. The engine is so relaxed at slow speeds. Even at higher gears, you can just keep chugging along. The engine feels so smooth when you are enjoying a nice relaxed ride out on a Sunday morning that you will be very happy with the predictable nature of this motorcycle. It is a very easy motorcycle to understand. So check out our ride reviews that we have uploaded for this motorcycle, where you will get to know how this bike performs. Now one more thing which you should make note of, is bike का curb weight है 199 kg by default without this pannier setup. तो ये जो पैनियर्स आप एक्स्ट्रा लगा लोगे तो इसकी वजह से एक्स्ट्रा वेट जो है इस बाइक के रेयर एंड पे आपको फील होने वाला है, एंड यू विल नोटिस दैट व्हेन यू वांट टू पुट दिस बाइक ऑन द मेन स्टैंड. बट नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द राइडर्स ट्रायंगल एंड द ओवरऑल कंफर्ट इफ यू वांट टू हॉप ऑन द सैडल एंड you want to ride this bike. So let me get it off the main stand right now, and check this out. I am 5 feet 8 inches in height. With this pannier setup, to swing a leg, it is going to be a little tricky, so that I don't hit my shin area, I don't hurt myself. If you are a shorter rider and if you think that swinging a leg is a little inconvenient, what you can do is put the bike on the side stand and then climb on the motorcycle and then hop on the saddle. Now when I am on this bike, when I am seated on this bike, check this out, the saddle height is just so accessible that I am flat footing both my feet. मेरे दोनों ही पैर flat on the ground है और इसकी वजह से ये मोटरसाइकिल चलाने में मुझे काफ़ी आसानी होने वाली है. It is not an intimidating motorcycle at all. जब आप इस बाइक को देख लेते हो, it will look like a big bike. It will look like it is quite a substantial two-wheeler. But when you are on the motorcycle, it allows you to be a part of it, and then you are not going to be scared of this bike. Now in terms of the rider's triangle, just check it out. It is a very nice and relaxed riding position. Compared to the KTM Adventure siblings, ये जो handlebar है, it is slightly on the higher side. This is going to be very useful when you are standing up and riding this Royal Enfield Himalayan out on the trails. ये जो foot peg area है, यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, foot peg is not too rear set. It is mildly rear set, which gives the bike a nice sporty intent, but it is not uncomfortable at all. For my height, यहाँ पे ये जो knee recesses हैं, they are also quite ideal, and I have no problems with these as well. If you are a taller rider though, you will have to check this bike. You will have to hop on the saddle and check it if your knees are going to fiddle around with this bar over here, with this crash bar over here. So that is a finer detail which might be a make or break deal for some people. When you want to stand up and ride this Royal Enfield Himalayan on the trails, check it out. You can grab the fuel tank. The handlebar height is quite nice. तो आपको ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि हैंडलबार राइजर्स खरीदने होंगे, एंड यू कैन डू ट्रेल राइडिंग वेरी कंफर्टेबली विद दिस सेटअप, विद दिस स्टॉक सेटअप. फुट पेग्स जो हैं वो भी आपको काफ़ी अच्छी ग्रिप ऑफर कर देते हैं, एंड एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इन द राइट प्लेस. तो ब्रेक लीवर का भी आप काफ़ी अच्छे से इस्तेमाल कर पाओगे, इवन दो इट इज़ रिसेस्ड ऑन द इनर साइड अ लिटिल. यू विल जस्ट हैव टू कीप योर फीट पोजिशन्ड towards the inside when you're riding this Himalayan, but make sure that you wear proper riding boots, otherwise आपको एक झटका जरूर लगने वाला है, because the engine is obviously going to be hot. Now this seat by default, like I mentioned, is super duper comfortable. Your rider's position is nice and upright. The windscreen is also quite reasonable. Just check it out. I'm 5 feet 8 inches and the windscreen is almost at my chin area. So this also offered me गुड अमाउंट ऑफ विंड प्रोटेक्शन जब मैं इस बाइक को आज चला रहा था, और मुझे इसमें कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं लगी. एंड ऑल्सो जस्ट नोटिस दिस एरिया बिटवीन माई लेग्स, इट इज नॉट टू वाइड, सो टू मैनेज द बाइक it is very easy. तो ज़्यादा gap नहीं है between my legs, so it is not going to make me uncomfortable when I am at a standstill at a signal with this Royal Enfield Himalayan, and even with some extra weight, some extra luggage. Me as a rider here on the saddle on the Royal Enfield Himalayan, it's quite an easy place to be. Now let's talk about the space that the pillion might get when such hard panniers are installed on your Royal Enfield Himalayan. So let me first jump on the rider seat, and now let me move behind. So here, as the pillion, check it out, this is how I am going to be seated. Now if the rider is on the heavier side, and if I have to maintain a gap between my legs, my feet are brushing against this hard pannier, and this is not going to be comfortable on long rides. तो इस चीज़ का भी आपको ध्यान देना है. If you are buying extra luggage, and then if you are going to be riding around with a pillion, make sure that the pillion is comfortable with the luggage options that you are selecting, because otherwise your ride is not going to be all that easy, because the pillion will keep complaining. Now as a pillion, जब मुझे इस बाइक पे से उतर जाना है, now obviously the rider is going to be on the saddle when you are at a standstill. You will have to hold on to the rider, and then getting off the bike, you will have to just play around a lot. You will have to hold on to the rider to stand up and then swing your leg and then get off it. आपको ज़मीन पे पैर directly रखने का मौका नहीं मिलने वाला है, because all that space is eaten up by this hard pannier set over here. But then all of that is nitpicking maybe, because people can just remove this pannier set if they are going out for a ride with a pillion, if it is just a casual ride. But if it is a long highway tour, if it is a long highway cruise, this is something that the rider and pillion will have to speak about and manage throughout their journey. So guys, let me know, what do you think about this Royal Enfield Himalayan? क्या आपको ये मोटरसाइकिल पसंद आई? Do you think that as per 2020, as per 2021 standards, this bike is acceptable? यकीनन इस बाइक में काफ़ी कम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फीचर्स हैं. इट इज़ नॉट रियली ऑल दैट एक्साइटिंग द वे इट लुक्स एंड द वे इट ऑफर्स थिंग्स टू यू. The power delivery is quite predictable. The bike is quite easy to ride. It is a typical Royal Enfield with a lot of torque lower down the rev range. So you can very comfortably keep chugging it, inside the city and even out on the highway. It is a good mile muncher. But do you like it? Will you spend close to 2.2 to 2.3 lakh rupees on road and bring the Himalayan home? Let us know in the comments. If you have any other queries about this Himalayan, do ask me. I will be more than happy to help you out. Goodbye, ride safe, and by the way, do check out the other videos which we have uploaded about this Royal Enfield Himalayan, because you will get to know everything about this bike over there.